just wanted to give you a bit of a tour of the greenhouse. We are mid-July here, and so we've transitioned most of the greenhouse to hot crops. Here are my tomatoes growing in the bed. This nasturtium was volunteer, and it's just gone nuts everywhere, which is awesome to see. Do have some beets coming out. I realized I seeded the carrots too close to the beets. Sometimes I do, in my attempt to have dense planting, sometimes it's just a little bit too close. So I'm hoping that once I get most of these beets out, these carrots will come up a little bit better. I have some kohlrabi that I will be harvesting here really soon, since I have some both outside as well. I have a little cucumber growing up there. These are all my tomatillos here. And then I do have some cucumbers as well. And then down over here there are some peppers as well growing too. So little thing of broccoli, but now it's getting a little bit too hot. So these actually didn't grow great in the greenhouse. I thought that they would head a lot sooner, but I'm not sure if it just got too hot for them. And so I may be taking those out again. And then over on the north side, this is where I did have a lot of early season greens coming up here, but now like spinach and arugula and other things. But now I've taken all of those things out there. Still have a little bit of kale since that's pretty heat tolerant. Couple tomatoes in pots here, and some basil and shiso in the corner. The shiso seems to be doing really well. It likes that shaded area. And again, I have my 2 fig trees here, some rosemary still, a little pepper in a pot, and some Thai basil here, and another pepper. I have a bunch of peppers in pots that are outside right now that I will move in here, back in here later in the season. But because it's plenty warm out right now, they're outside for now. So again, lots going on here in the greenhouse. I do have some tomatoes, you can see them right there, that are getting ripe, so I'm pretty excited about that. And again, you can see that same theme of polycultures in here, and everything's looking pretty good. We did have some aphids early on in the season. And I just usually, when I get aphids in the greenhouse, I try as best as possible just to physically squish them, and that seems to work well. And then once the veggies and get to be more robust, they seem to resist that a lot more. Another thing that I do is I did have some aphids on some of my peppers, and I find that when I move them outdoors, then they seem to recover, and either some beneficial insects are eating the aphids, or they don't seem to be as affected. So let me know if you have any questions, but yeah, thanks for watching.